Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your phone is heating while charging. So first thing I want to mention is that if you're using a fast charger, then it is pretty normal for your device to overheat, but otherwise you can go to the settings and check if there are any background apps affecting your heat distribution while charging by draining your battery by running in the background. Go to settings, battery, and now here you can check the applications that use your battery the most. As you can see, for me it's Asphalt for the last 24 hours, and for the last 7 days the most battery draining application is PUBG Mobile. And to restrict background activity for these apps, you have to go to power saving options, you go to app battery management, then select the app that you want, for which you want to restrict background activity, tap on it and select this option right here. Now the next advice I want to give you is that you should use original charger and cable and check if your device overheats with them. And also do not use your smartphone while charging, because it also highly affects the overheating of your device. So don't play any games or surf in browser, don't scroll while charging your smartphone, because it not only does it overheat your smartphone, but it also drains your battery and affects your battery health. The next advice I want to give you is that you should try charging your device without any case, because case limits heat distribution within your smartphone. So it's better if you charge your device without a case. And the last thing I want to mention is that you of course should charge your device in a cool, well ventilated area. And that's it. I hope that this advice helps you, and if they did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.